Okay, so we're at Royal City Park in Guelph. Um, each city in Canada is abundantly supplied. Let me put it like that with park, okay, children park, relaxation centers like this, where people could just come and have a nice time. So we are currently at Royal City Park. So it's good to play. Go back. I'm coming, alright? It's good to play, it's good to work, and it's good to play. So Canadians often find the park a place for relaxation. And so the cool part of this particular Royal City Park is that it has a stream beside it, which gives you that cool and nice view of the nature from uh, from near your accommodation where you stay. So my house is just a little bit like let me say like 5 kilometers from here. So from my house, I could just come and have a nice time of relaxation. Yeah. So if you're coming to Canada, and these are some of the things you can always have to have as a places. These are places you can have for relaxation. At weekends, you can just come around with your friends to have some picnic here. Uh, so for those of you already in Canada and you are looking for a place to have a fun with your family, you can just ask around where is the closest park to you. I'm sure you will get enough recommendations. So this was one of the parks in Guelph. Not all parks have the same features or facilities. Okay, not all parks in Canada or in Guelph has this particular stream I'm showing. This is just one of it. Okay, so I just love this view. I can just sit down all day, position my camera, and then just get a cool view. And can you see the ocean waves? Wow, nature is powerful. Nature is powerful. Nature is wonderful. And you can hear in the background the whistling sound of the trees. Okay, right. So you can see, I love the beautiful shade the trees are even casting on people and visitors. Um, yeah, it's nice. So this is Royal City Park, Guelph. You can see some people on the other side also sitting by the stream and then having a nice discussion. And the good part of it is that this is free. Where I came from, the country I came from, of course, you pay good money to have access to this family facility. But here is free entrance, free admittance. You can see park car owners as well, park their cars and then fuel stations. My kids are somewhere there, playing um, with the gadgets there. Okay, so it's fun. It's fun here. Okay, children, adults, old and young, male and female come here to have a nice time. Okay, uh, school, school. Yeah, you have a swing. You can see the swing there. Okay, the kazoo. Okay. Uh, okay. So, guys, are you enjoying the sight and sound of Royal City Park, Guelph? It's cool. So, University of Guelph students, rather, sorry, can always have time to come here and enjoy yourself when you want to take a break from the hot and hot pressure of academics can come here, and probably you work more than 40 hours a week, and then you just find a place to come and relax your head from the stress. So come here. So you can see the little blue. Can I call it blue? Or you can see, can I zoom it? So it's okay. You can see beside the black stuff, that cubicle is a union urinary, in case you are pressed and you want to urinate. Okay, it's a small cubicle for urinating. So okay, yeah, want to go to where? That, the other side. Okay, where's peace? So let's see if we can cross to the other side. Okay. uh, so guys, I don't want this video to be too long. If you enjoyed my video, please do like and subscribe. Share this video, smack the like button, turn on the notification bell to get cool videos. Thank you. Bye bye.